Welcome to user training for the Cloud DPE Development Studio. This is Gene D'Angelo. For these training sessions, I am working on a client PC located in Southeast Florida, and I am signed on to a small server located in Plano, Texas. In this session, I will talk about working with tables in the Tables Explorer. I have my Tables Explorer over here in dockable auto hide, docked with auto hide functionality, so if I click elsewhere or even move off it many times, it will disappear. And this is the structure. It is a hierarchical directory structure. Here, my tables area is the private area that only you can see. And if it is hierarchical, you can go down and have multiple levels of directories, and in each directory you can have whatever tables you want. And then in addition, you have down here a My Shared Tables area, where you would find tables that other people have shared with you. And then there's a My Databases area, which is where tables are stored that are accessible to everyone based on the groups they belong to. So there's a security feature there where you can control how different databases that are useful to many people are actually accessed by only the people that need them. So so this is, if you go back up to My Tables area, this is the main area. And if I go to an area, let's just go here. If I click on a table, I can view it. I can either open it, or I can just double click on it and it will open it up. And then I can scroll, in it, scroll and pan across and so on. Other options we have in Tables Explorer: if we right-click on a table, as I said before, you can open it. You can also share it. If you hit share, it will bring up a box that will enable you to click on the people that you want to share it with, and you just say OK, and it will share. Put that in the shared tables area that we looked at before for those users. And of course, you can unshare the table. You can stop sharing. There is an append function, which I won't go into, but you can append it to another table. It supports to this table or to another table. And there's a related function, which I will talk about, is copy. So if I go down to this area here, for example, and let's say that I want to copy this table into the healthcare directory, I can simply say copy and then go to healthcare and hit paste, and it will then copy that table into that directory. So if we go back and refresh, we'll see that that table is now copied into the directory. You can also rename the table. So if I rename, and I could just say new here, and if I go back now, we'll see that that table is renamed. I can also delete, and it'll just give me a warning. I'll say yes, and now that table is gone from that directory. So so there's several things you can do here. You can access the Properties tab in this. I showed you before in the tabs review. You can access the Properties tab from the Tables directory. And let's see, is there anything else that I really want to talk about here? I think that about covers all the things you need to work with on a daily basis from the Tables Explorer area.